Get the best Houston furnace and air conditioning emergency repair services. Keeping your AC and furnace in optimal working condition is essential for your safety and comfort. Your Local HVAC offers the prompt and reliable 24/7 emergency HVAC repair services you need. Its fully licensed and certified technicians are available for any type of AC and furnace issues. The Houston HVAC experts have a fleet of fully equipped service trucks to ensure that most heating and AC issues are solved on the first visit. Contact us at terry@yourlocalhvac.com.